Okay, folks, Weird Sam here. Hey, by the way, I'll tell you about this going to Kmart in a minute, but I better get this chicken out of here. I cooked it 4 minutes on each side, and then I had a minute on one side. Looking pretty doggone good. So we're going to turn everything off. There. I'm going to put a couple pieces over here on the napkin. And this piece I'll put in my plate. This is tonight. I mean, this is for dinner. The other two, one I'll have later on maybe, and one in tomorrow. There we go. Now, always put a little water in this pan. That way I sit it back on the stove. Now here we have the whole wheat spaghetti, thin spaghetti. Put that in here. Okay. Here we got chopped spinach. I took a half a tomato, cut it up in here, and about half of a sweet onion. I love my tomatoes and sweet onions with anything. Except cereal, of course. There you go. Boom! Now, one more thing here. I have to tell you sometime about, my friend told me about these delicious hot dogs at Kmart. I didn't get any hot dogs, but one of these days I have to try it. Yeah, Maria said hot dogs at Kmart is fantastic. I was going to have a go over there with me and make a video about it, but she wouldn't do it. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to show you the finished product here, folks. It's yummy looking. You ready? There you go. What do you think of that? Is that not delicious? That is thin sliced, no saturated fat chicken breast with pecans crushed and that ragu Italian sauce and this thin cut spaghetti and the spinach and the tomatoes and the sweet onion. I tell you, if that ain't healthy, I don't know what my name is. See you later, Weird Sam.